And in addition, the Met Office on a developing snow situation for Thursday. That's some way off. In the shorter term, this area of cloud and rain, which has been around for about 24 hours or so, still rumbles on into the small hours of Wednesday on what is going to be a chilly night rather than a particularly frosty one. And it's still there as Wednesday morning grinds on. You'll see it there dribbling off through the Pennines and up into the eastern side of Scotland with snow on the higher ground. Elsewhere, a slow process, but I think we'll see somewhat brighter conditions than was the case today. And that really won't be very difficult. If you spent the day down in the East Midlands, parts of East Anglia and Lincolnshire, well, it was very dreek there with quite a bit of fog around. Not a warm day, you'll notice, though, even as we move away towards the north of England, southern Scotland. 3 or 4 degrees only here. Somewhat milder as you break away towards the west. But notice the strength of the wind and coming in from a very cold continent as well. So dry weather for the west of Scotland, Northern Ireland, much of Wales and the southwest. But after a fairly bright start in the southwest, I'm afraid you're going to lose your sunshine here. So you'll be contending with grey skies and that keen southeasterly wind as well. For the best of any brightness, you have to head towards the southeast and perhaps the South Midlands too. But you'll notice here it really doesn't do much for the temperatures. Now, the reason you lost that sunshine down in the southwest is this band of weather gradually working its way into the south with the rain falling into the cold air. That's where you're going to see the snow, perhaps too, in eastern Scotland.